Woo! Alright, what's up YouTube? My name's Chris. Got some new components here on the 2020 Enduro.
Today is a special day for our good friend Chris because all of his new components that he ordered for his Specialized Enduro have finally arrived, and now it's time to put them on the bike. This dude has literally upgraded everything on this bike, so this bike check is going to be one of a kind. Before he came over to use my shop space, he already installed his new Ergon saddle, new clipless crank brother mallet pedals, and a massive Blackburn fender. Chris's Enduro Elite is sitting on an Industry 9 Enduro S Hydra in the rear and a Crank Brothers synthesis up front. In this video, we're going to install and test ride these awesome new parts, and then my boy Chris is going to give you a bike check. You're watching Nick and Katie. Please subscribe and like this video. Okay, let's get started. Damn, that's dirt nasty, bro. Shoo! Look at that. Yes, sir.
Alright, what's up YouTube? My name's Chris. Got some new components here on the 2020 Enduro. Got an Ergon saddle. For the cockpit, I got some E13 carbon race bars. Also E13 stem. Then I have some Hayes Dominion brakes, A4s. I have 203mm rotors on either end. And then I got some nice Crank Brothers mallet downhill pedals. Oh yeah, I love it. It makes the bike feel brand new, so woohoo! Oh yeah, I forgot the brand new GX Eagle derailleur and gold chain, XX1 chain. So, oh yeah, man, keep riding.
Special thanks to our homie Chris for helping us put this video together. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our channel because we have tons of other mountain bike related content that I'm sure you'll love. And while you're there, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when we post a brand new video. Make sure to also hit that like button because we really appreciate that and it helps us out so much more than you would ever know. Also, let us know what you thought of Chris's build. Drop a comment down below and let us know what your favorite part of it was. And as always, I'm Nick and you're watching Nick and Katie. Thanks for watching.